Say goodbye to inaccurate clamping, limited workpiece compatibility, and poor repeatability in your manufacturing process with the RHS-W5934 EDM machine clamp bench vise, the ultimate solution for precision machining. Our specialized vise is designed to address common manufacturing problems and elevate your machining experience. Let's explore its features. This tool ensures that your workpieces are securely held in place, reducing the risk of misalignment and ensuring top-notch precision in every cut. Our vise is suitable for both square and long parts, offering you the versatility needed to tackle a diverse range of projects. The vise's body is easily adjustable in the X, Y, and Z axes, giving you precise control over workpiece positioning and alignment. With a repeatability of 0.005 mm, 100 mm. You can trust that the same precise results will be achieved every time, eliminating variations in product. Upgrade your manufacturing game with the EDM machine clamp bench vise.